Hey guys, today we're gonna detailing this engine. This is Datsun Go Plus 2016. As always, I'm not a professional. If you want to do this, the risk is yours. Also, I forgot to mention this in my other engine videos. When removing the battery, always remove the negative first, then the positive. And when reconnecting, connect the positive first and then the negative, or you have a chance exploding your battery, your hand and your face. And there's some car that if you remove the battery, the time and date will reset, car seat memory and any others will reset. But it's still better than having a risk of shorting. And for the alternator, it's actually okay to get wet. Believe it or not, anytime you wash your car with a pressure washer and you spray the front grille, the water will get into the alternator. But the reason I cover the alternator, I don't know what would happen if the greaser and resin get into it. And I don't wanna find out. Air intake, fuse box, and any electrical connection that I can see using aluminum foil. Only do this when the engine is cool to the touch. This is Maguire Super Degreaser diluted at 4 to 1. Spread it out nicely using a paintbrush. Rinse using a garden hose, don't use a pressure washer. And spray the greaser again. This time I let it to dwell about 3 minutes. And rinse again with garden hose. Now the drying process, I use a blower that has a heater. Last part is dressing. Usually I use water-based dressing, but now I'm gonna use Mother's Back to Black. Spread it using a paintbrush. Let it to dwell about 3 minutes. Wipe it off with a towel. This looks very natural, not fake looking like a dressing. So it depends how you like it better. And you can reconnect the battery again, positive first and then the negative. And turn on the engine. I hope this helpful. You can check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.